Welcome to the ILostMyJob.com video podcast, providing information and resources for your job transition. First, Outlook News with Scott Combs.
Historically speaking, a 1% rise in adult unemployment is associated with a 4% rise in full-time community college enrollment. Now a report for the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City's Economic Review says that full-time community college enrollments between the fall of 2007 and the fall of 2009 jumped 24.1%. According to the report, at least some of the recent increase could be due to increased demand for worker retraining. In addition to higher enrollments by unemployed people, enrollments in community colleges likely mushroomed because they offer a cost savings compared to four-year colleges and private training facilities. Looks like something good is happening in South Dakota. An unemployment insurance surcharge imposed on South Dakota employers triggered off for the fourth quarter, according to the South Dakota Department of Labor. The surcharge is not expected to be collected for the first quarter of 2011 either. The surcharge, which is an added cost to businesses, automatically went into effect a year ago when the state's UI Trust Fund balance fell below $11 million. More workers are choosing to delay their retirement because they say they believe there is more to contribute to the workforce. Almost 10% of workers say they will work until they die, according to a survey conducted by the Sloan Center on Aging and Work at Boston College. Other workers are vying to be financially stable before stopping, and 46% of respondents in a Towers-Watson survey said they will work at least 3 to 5 years longer than originally planned. The employment situation for September from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Healthcare employment rose by 24,000. Healthcare employment has risen by an average of 21,000 per month this year. Employment services added 28,000 jobs in September. Temporary help services accounted for most of the gain. Food services and drinking places increased by 34,000 over the month and have risen by 104,000 thus far in 2010. Mining employment continued to trend up, more than 6,000 over the month. Employment in manufacturing changed little in September and on net has been essentially flat since May. The industry added 134,000 jobs during the first 5 months of the year. Employment in wholesale trade, retail trade, transportation and warehousing, information and financial activities showed little change in September. Employment in construction edged down.